In 2021, the Hyundai Elantra underwent an update that gave it a new exterior, more cutting-edge features, a better interior, and an improved driving experience. The redesign also heralded the sedan's 7th generation on the American market. One of the most reliable vehicles on the market, the Elantra has always been a master of none and a jack of all trades. The 2.0 liters inline-4 engine that powers the Elantra is standard, while the 1.6 liters inline-4 used in the N line is turbocharged. Price ranges for the Elantra start at $20,000 and go as high as $26,000 for the N line. The sedan competes against the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and Volkswagen Jetta. The Elantra has been a very dependable option in the market and receives many perks that the rivals do not. Let's examine the car's performance on the market and the most frequent problems. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Virtually, we can split all the 2022 Elantra problems on 4 sections: electrical, mechanical, exterior, and safety issues. Electrical problems. Faulty ignition coils. The Elantra's ignition coils have reportedly failed in a lot of cases, causing the engine to stall. The coil apparently failed with no warning, according to the complainants, who also claim that the car's starter was broken. In some cases, this has also led to the engine losing power, which has resulted in collisions. There have been reports of defective speakers in the new Elantra that shut off while the car is moving. The problem is very sporadic and is said to make people dizzy and motion sick while driving. Additionally, the wiring harness failure that rendered all electrical functions inoperative has been reported by 2022 Elantra owners. The instrument cluster failed as a result of this problem, cutting off all safety assistance. Naturally, the vehicle also lost power and needed to be towed to the dealer. Some low beam problems exist. Due to the uneven throw and poor road illumination, the low beam is unsuitable for nighttime driving. People have occasionally complained that the high beam is too bright and diverts oncoming traffic. The connectivity issues with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are related to the last but not least electrical issue. The connection between the car and their smartphones has frequently been reported to drop at random. As a result, the projection on the system turns black, distracting the driver. Mechanical issues. Engine failure is the biggest mechanical problem. There have been a few complaints where people claim the engine will sometimes stall out on its own. While moving, the car stalled, causing some collisions in the process. Low mileage, sometimes as low as 1,000 miles, vehicles are affected by the problem. There are also issues with the fuel pump. Despite repeated cranking, some owners have reported that their cars stall and won't start. The fuel pump has been blamed by many dealerships, and it has been replaced under warranty. According to reports, the new Elantra's brakes make grinding noises as they slow down to a stop. There have also been reports of brake pad wear that is abnormal. The affected car's brake setups had to be replaced by the dealers under warranty. The steering of the 2022 Elantra has been reported to veer at a variety of speeds, sometimes as high as 80 mph. No error codes appeared in diagnostics, and no warning lights illuminated on the driver's display. Exterior issues. Paint chipping near the rear windscreen and on the hood has been reported by some owners. Despite being localized, paint chipping is disliked by owners nationwide due to the 2022 Elantra's recent age. Safety features issues. When a 2021 Elantra, a vehicle from the current generation, was struck on the right rear door, the airbags did not inflate. The occupants were hurt in this collision, and some of them needed medical attention. More of these incidents where the airbags did not deploy have been reported. The automatic emergency braking in some owners' vehicles reportedly activated on its own. As a result, the driver lost control of the vehicle, resulting in a collision. For some people, the Elantra's vehicle speed control has malfunctioned and caused the power to be cut off. The car stalled as a result, stopping in the middle of the road. There have been complaints that the Elantra's radar malfunctions, interfering with all of the vehicle's driver assistance features. Accidents have occasionally been caused by driver assistance systems that have malfunctioned. According to reports, the new Elantra's tire pressure monitoring system is broken and doesn't display any readings. Additionally, when the tires are changed, TPMS problems have been mentioned. Recalls. There are 4 active recalls related to the 2022 Elantra model year. 2 of them are about seatbelts. Explosion of the driver side and passenger side seatbelt pretensioners upon deployment increases the risk of injury in a crash. The 3rd recall is related with seats. Improperly welded driver and front passenger seatback recliners increase the risk of injury in a crash. The last one is about the visibility. Improperly bonded windshield may come off in a crash, increasing the risk of injury. Should you buy it? For anyone searching for a new and exciting mid-size sedan, the 2022 Hyundai Elantra is a must-have. Crossovers are also available. but the Elantra stands out as a model that exudes exclusivity and dependability. Finding a used Elantra from the current generation will be difficult, but we still advise doing your research before buying.